Hello children, yes, this is Nagashri ma'am here. Now I want all of you to take out your English textbooks. Yes, English textbooks. And now I want all of you to turn to page number 1818. Okay, here block 2, the bar-headed goose. So here we are going to know more about the goose, and that too the bar-headed goose. What is the meaning of bar-headed goose? That means there are lines on the head of the goose. Okay children, so we are going to study about the bar-headed goose in this lesson written by Asmita Bhutani. So who has written this? Yes, Asmita Bhutani. She has all collected the information of this goose and she has given the information to us also. So let us start reading, children. Yes. There was a strange piece of news about the bar-headed goose, the highest flying bird in the world. So, which is the highest? So, all the birds will fly up high, right? Yes. And we think which bird flies the highest up in the sky, children? Yes, we think that it is eagle. But no, the highest flying bird in the whole world is the bar-headed goose. Okay, children? Yes. So next children, a flock of bar-headed geese was spotted flying over Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. The height of Mount Everest is around 8,848 meters, which means it is as high as 1,000 buses on top of each other. The birds made a record as no one has ever seen a bird flying so high. So children, how did we people get to know that the bar-headed goose are the highest flying birds in the world? So how did we get to know that? Once you know what happened, a flock. Flock means a group of birds. Flock means a group of birds. They are known as flock. So a flock of bar-headed geese. So if there is one bar-headed bird, okay, bar-headed goose, it is known as goose. And if there are two or more than two, if there are many bar-headed goose flying high in the sky, or if they are seen together, then they are known as geese. That means plural form of goose is geese. So if there is one, we tell it as goose. That means singular form. And if there are many, that means geese. Okay, that is known as plural form. Okay, children? Yes. And a flock of bar-headed geese, a group of these birds, bar-headed geese, were actually seen, okay, which were flying over the Mount Everest. And the Mount Everest is the tallest mountain which has the highest peak in the world. And you know what its height is? Yes, its height is, children, 8,848 meters. So if you just imagine a bus, okay, so on one bus there is again another bus, and upon it there is one more bus. So if you keep on going, keeping buses on one over the other, okay, on top of each other, so if you arrange 1,000 such buses like this, so what will be the height of, okay, of the final bus which is laid on the top? So that will be the height of the Mount Everest. So this is just an example. So we have seen the Mount Everest itself is the tallest mountain in the whole world, and above the Mount Everest, yes, there were a flock of geese flying, yes, flying up high in the sky. Hence, it has been a world record because no birds were seen flying so high up in the sky. Hence, it has been it is world record. Yes, it has made a record, and you know what? It has been considered as the highest flying bird in the world from then onwards. So next, bar-headed geese are light grey in color with two black bars on their heads. So as I told, bar means lines. So there are lines on its head, you can see. Okay, here there is one line which is black in color or grey in color. Okay, the bird is grey in color and they will be having two black lines on their heads. Okay, you can see on their face, you can see two black lines. Okay, lines means bars. They have an orange beak and they feed on barley, rice and wheat. Okay, children, so the beak color is orange in color. Look at its beak, they are orange in color. And you know what they feed on, what they depend for food? Yes, they depend on barley, rice and wheat. Okay, children, and the weight of the bird of such birds is around 3.2 kg. It will be up to 3.2 kg and it is very heavy as a human baby. If you just carry a human baby, okay, so it will be as heavy as a human baby. It weighs up to 3.2 kg, children. So next, bar-headed geese do not stay in one place throughout the year. During the winter season, they migrate from the cold central countries of Asia to the warm parts of India. They can be seen flying and resting around hills, mountains and lakes during this time. When winter is over, they migrate back to Central Asia. So children, they need warm places to stay. They go in search of warm places to live. That means they will migrate away from the cold regions, okay, especially the central countries of Asia. They will fly away from such places. Migrate means to move from one place to another, yes, in search of food or shelter. So that is known as to migrate. Okay, children, so why do they migrate? Why do they fly away from their home places? Because in search of the warm places to live. So they come to warm parts of India to live. Yes, and they are seen in plenty in number around the hills and mountains and all during this times near the lakes. So where do they stay, children? They stay near the hills and mountains near the lakes. Okay, yes. So once the winter season is over, they again will fly back to their places from where they have come, that is to Central Asia. So they are found in Central Asia, isn't it, children? Yes. So this is all about the bar-headed goose, and I want all of you to read this once or twice, and soon I will be giving the meanings of the words and even the dictation words also. Thank you, children. Bye.